Today, we're going to learn how to implement an auto-closing accordion without even touching custom code. So buckle up and get ready for some Webflow magic. So, this is how we create an accordion in Webflow by setting an interaction on a click event. However, it's not possible to implement an auto-closing effect using these interactions. I've already created this interaction that we're going to utilize. Currently, we've applied it for the mouse click event, but we intend to utilize the same interaction for a different event. Step 1. Adding the tab component. To start, let's incorporate a tab component. Assign the class name accordion blocks container to the tab component and apply the class accordion blocks wrapper to the tabs menu. Then, change the display property from block to flex. Step 2. Styling the tab link as an accordion block. Feel free to style the link as you prefer. I'm currently utilizing existing classes and elements. Afterward, create a couple more links according to your requirements. I'm simply copying and pasting the existing elements. Step 3. Hiding tab content. Next, we'll swiftly hide the tab content since we won't be using it. I've already designated a class to set the display to none. Alternatively, you can create a new class and set the display to none. Step 4. Set up interactions. This is where the magic unfolds. We'll utilize Webflow's tab current class technique to achieve an auto-closing accordion effect. Let's implement an interaction for the tab change event trigger. As previously discussed, I'll be utilizing an existing interaction. Lastly, apply the interaction to all classes. And voila! Through a touch of Webflow wizardry, we've achieved an auto-closing accordion. If you want to add more accordions, simply copy and paste the existing ones. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical Webflow adventures. Until next time, keep designing and stay magical.